To connect your Tapo C320 camera with the iPhone, first I would start with plugging in your camera to the power source. There's a cable on the back of the camera and you need to connect the power adapter that comes with this device. Then if after one minute of powering on, you will see a LED lamp right here. If it's blinking red green, that means it's ready for the setup. If it's blinking red and only red, that means you will need to reset your camera. And it's pretty easy, as when you remove this cover right here, which is protected by two screws, there's a button in the middle right there that you need to press on and hold for 10 seconds. It will reboot again for around 2 minutes, and then it should blink like that. Now it's the time to move to our iPhone. Here we want to open a Tapo app. If you don't have it, download this app from App Store for free and create your account or log into already existing one, and then you should see a dashboard like this. Now we can click on the plus button and add our device. In the search, enter C320 WS. And next step is to choose if you want to connect it with the Ethernet port, again on the back of the camera, or wireless. I'm gonna go with the wireless and move to the next step. And for me, it's already blinking red and green, which means again I can move to the next step and here connect our camera to the Wi-Fi network of our phone. So we need to open a Wi-Fi settings of our iPhone and look for Tapo Cam. Connect with it and then go back. You will see that it instantly basically connects with your phone. Now that it's connected, we need to choose a network, pick whichever one you like, enter a password and move to the next step.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Now, when everything is ready, we can rename our device, but it's optional. I'm gonna leave the same name. You can also pick a place where your camera will be stay, and then choose a icon for it. When everything again here is ready, it will introduce you with all of these settings, and you can also learn how to mount your camera to the wall. I will show you that in a second. Here we have it. You can click on mount to the wall to learn how to do it, but I'm gonna go with sounds good. Then you can check the subscription, which requires you to pay for it. I'm gonna skip it. And set up local storage, insert your SD card again right here. You can check our specific video for that as well for that model. And there's also a firmware update that you can perform. It will perform it automatically at specified time right here. You can change it if you click on it. Then when you're ready, your camera will be connected.